Dr. Michaels, please report to room 508. Dr. Michaels, please report to room 508. We have another patient suffering from severe healthcare adjustment disorder.
I know you have a lot of questions, but before we begin, let me give you a brief overview of what may have caused your condition.
The Affordable Care Act, Video 1. An overview of the change. Healthcare reform is an issue that has divided this country. However, the time for debate is over. Now is the time to maximize the benefits of this law for you, your family, and your employees in order to minimize its costs. Whether you have insurance or not, everyone will be affected by healthcare reform. The law will have many unintended consequences, so everyone needs to make smart, informed decisions.
I know this may be frightening, but let's go over the provisions that begin starting in 2014. There are 5 of them.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to show you a series of images, and you tell me what you see, okay?
All right.
What do you see here?
I see a man on a date?
No, not exactly. That's the first provision, the mandate.
The mandate. As of January 2014, the federal government will be forcing everyone to buy health insurance. If you don't buy it, the government will penalize you up to the cost of having bought the insurance in the first place.
Oh no.
I know. What do you see now?
An obese doctor with an apple?
No, but that's a little bit concerning. That's actually the second provision, essential health benefits.
Essential health benefits. There are 10 coverages that the government calls essential health benefits. Starting in 2014, the government will no longer allow you to only buy the coverage you want. Rather, you will be forced to buy certain coverages whether or not you need them or want them.
Really?
Really? What about this one? Oh, okay, that's a tough one. This is actually the third provision, guaranteed issue.
Guaranteed issue. The good news is that starting October 2013, insurance companies will not be allowed to turn you down. There will no longer be exclusions for pre-existing conditions, and companies will not be allowed to charge higher premiums when they agree to insure unhealthy people. The bad news is, by forcing everyone to buy additional benefits that they typically wouldn't buy and forcing insurers to cover everyone, regardless of health, premiums will go up dramatically.
Take a deep breath. We still have 2 more provisions to get through.
Okay.
What do you see here?
Subsidy?
Well, you can read. Yes, that is the subsidy. That is the 4th provision.
The subsidy. The other good news for some is that the government will be helping pay for the insurance and will be absorbing future increases in the premium. The mechanism used will be a refundable tax credit. Eligibility for the tax credit is a function of your household income and family size. Based on your household income and family size, your contribution towards the benchmark plan will be determined. The tax credit is the difference between your contribution and the cost of the benchmark plan.
Don't worry if you didn't fully grasp that concept. We'll cover that more in a future session. Now, can you tell me what you see here in our final image?
A man being forced against his will to adopt the barbaric principles of a law weighted against him just because the majority of this country doesn't appreciate the...
Hang on, let me stop you right there and get us going in the right direction. And I may need to prescribe some kind of antipsychotic. Anyway, the 5th provision is the standardized metal plans.
Standardized plans. Plans are going to be standardized and will fall under one of 4 categories: platinum, gold, silver, or bronze. All 4 plans must include what the government deems are essential health benefits, and they will all have co-pays, deductibles, and co-insurance.
So that's everything we're going to be discussing in your healthcare reform treatment. Clearly, we have some more issues to go over here to help you understand it better and alleviate your stress. I think we need to come in at least a few more times. They'll schedule you on your way out.
The Acosta Insurance Group, answering the change.